Best places to visit in Kokand, Uzbekistan are Khudayar Khan Palace, the most famous landmark, a stunning example of 19th century Central Asian architecture. It was the residence of the last and most famous Khan of Kokand, Khudayar Khan. It features intricate tilework, colorful patterns, and impressive design. Jami Mosque, a significant architectural complex from the late 18th to early 19th century, located on Korsu Square. It is supported by 98 carved wooden pillars and a slender minaret. Norbut-biy Madrassah. Built in the 18th century, it was one of the largest religious centers and educational institutions in the city. Its architecture is similar in style to monuments in Bukhara. Dakhma-i-Shahan Mausoleum, Tomb of the Kings, a necropolis containing the tombs of several rulers of the Kokand Khanate. It is part of a complex that includes the Norbut-biy Mosque and the Mir Madrassah. Modari Khan Mausoleum, an elegant mausoleum built in 1825 for the mother and the other women of the Khan's family, including the renowned poet Nodira. It features a beautiful turquoise dome and rich tile ornaments. Kokand Regional Studies Museum. Housed within the Khudayar Khan Palace, it offers insights into the region's history and culture. Khamza Museum House, dedicated to Khamza Hakimzadeh Niazi, a founder of Uzbek Soviet literature. Mukimi Museum, located in the May Hazrat Madrassah, focusing on the life and literary environment of the poet Mukimi. Craft workshops. The city is famous for its artisans. You can often find workshops specializing in clay crafts and textiles. Kamal al-kaziy Madrassah, another 19th century madrasa. This one honors a prominent scholar and features stunning geometric tile patterns and domed interiors. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe.